Hello everybody, welcome to Tutor Institute of Technology YouTube channel. This is me Sandhya, trainer for today's Spoken English Class 2 for beginners and job seekers. I hope everyone are doing great. Before we get into the video, I would like to share few things about our channel on the courses we offer apart from spoken English. For language, we offer spoken English, spoken Hindi. For subjects, we offer math, CBSE and State Board from 6 to 12 standard, high speed math and physics. Beyond the books, we also offer some classes for kids like art and craft, slogans, alphabets game, Tamil, English and Hindi. I would also like to extend a big thank you to all our subscribers and also would like to thank you for all your feedbacks, guys. Please do subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet. And also share our videos with your friends and family and make sure they subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get our new video notification. Also friends, if you have not watched our Class 1 video, please click the link in description box below before watching this video. Now, let's get started with our Class 2 video on spoken English. Today, I'm going to teach the continuation of our previous class. I must say friends, this video will help you to communicate with the people in a more professional manner and friendly too. Today, I'm going to teach an interesting topics. It's about introducing yourself. Yes, first impression is the best impression. The way you introduce yourself to a person for the first time creates an impression about yourself, depending on how well you do it. When you meet someone for the first time or when you're attending an interview, introduce yourself with your name and proper greeting. So, when someone asks you, what's your name? There are some different ways to answer it. I'm going to teach you 3 general ways to answer. My name is. It's commonly used by everyone. The next way to answer is I am. I am. Next way is I'm. I'm. Pronunciation is very important when speaking. Here I have given some examples. Watch and listen carefully with the pronunciation. Hello, my name is Clara. Hello, I'm John. Good morning, I'm Sandy. Hope you all understood. These examples will help you to choose how to introduce yourself in the easiest way. Let's move on to the next topic. How to answer the question, how old are you? You can say your age in 3 different ways. How old are you? I am 20 years old. I'm 20. These are the formal way of answering. Let's move on to the next one. I'm in early 20s. This is informal way of answering, like when you talk to your friends or people whom you are close with. I hope it's easy for you guys to follow. Practice these examples with correct pronunciation to improve the language. Moving on to the next examples. Here, I have showed a conversation between teacher and student and between two friends. Formal. Good morning, students. Tell your name. Hello, ma'am. My name is Clara. Hello, ma'am. I am John. Hello, ma'am. I'm Sandy. Good. How old are you? I am 20 years old. I'm 20. Hope you understand, guys. Now, conversation 2 between friends. Hey, how old are you, John? I'm in early 20s, Sandy. Is it so interesting? Hope you guys liked this video. That's all for today class, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Please share your valuable comments and comment box below. Practice these examples regularly by speaking with your friends and family members. Keep smiling always, friends. This is me, Sandhya, signing off the day. See you soon in our next video. Thank you all.